Hello guys, so if you remember yesterday I posted a short video about keychain. So in this video I want to show us how you can be able to withdraw your keychain, because keychain is currently listed on PancakeSwap, which the price pool is around 30,000 USDT with 1 million keychain token which you can exchange. Now I want you guys to know that this listing is only for those that bought keychain pre-sale token, right, which you can be able to swap to USDT on your pancake swap. And for those of you that are just starting this mining just as me, here is a thing you need to do. We have 2 years to mine keychain, so if you're just starting, you are not late, right? So let's get in together and follow this process without missing out any step. Now, let's go to the X account. On their X account, they posted this: we have created a fund pool on the decentralized exchange PancakeSwap at 1:45:50 a.m. Washington time on July 26, 2025, which is today. The initial fund pool size is around 30,000 USD, 300,000 USDT, right? Slash 1 million key token. Now, I want you guys to know that before you can be able to withdraw, you have to add this contract address before you can be able to make any withdrawal. You have to add this contract address. So how can you add this contract address? If you know you can't copy it from here, no problem. Just follow through this video. I'm going to show you all the steps you need. Now, let's go back to the keychain app. So this is the application. For those of you who doesn't know how you can import it from Google or any browser, the only thing you need to do is to tap on this three line, right? You tap on this three line, you scroll down, you see, you add to your home screen. As simple as that, because keychain is yet to launch their own application, right? So now here is a keychain, but how can you import keychain to your own MetaMask or maybe Trust Wallet? Because this is the only way you can trade your token with PancakeSwap exchange. So what you need to do, simply skip this interface and go to your own Trust Wallet. So let's go to your own Trust Wallet. Now, like I said, the only thing you can do to withdraw this token is only if you bought pre-sale, because you wasn't be able to get the pre-sale. Now you have to wait for KYC verification for you to be able to claim and swap your real mining tokens. We are still mining keychain, so continue mining without stopping, guys. So if you come to here, how are you going to add this to help you transfer your tokens from the keychain application to Trust Wallet or maybe a MetaMask? Here is a process you need to follow. Now I want you guys to know that keychain is under BNB Smart Chain Network, right? You just scroll down and simply tap on Manage Crypto, right? You tap on Manage Crypto, then you come up right here. Let me show you. You come up right here, you tap on this plus sign. You change this Ethereum to BNB, right? Then you paste the token address. Then you are going to see that it's going to appear automatically, right? It's going to appear. Now, if you don't know where to copy this address, I'm going to drop it in the comment section and also in the description below. In case you didn't find it there, you can simply join my group on WhatsApp and then I will drop it for you. Just ask for it. I'm going to give you. You can drop a comment below so that I will get back to you and send you this link. So this is it right here. Then you tap on import, right? You can see that I've already imported this. So this is the keychain. For those of you that want to make withdrawals from the keychain app, then you simply copy right here. After adding this address, you simply come right here, you tap on receive, you copy the address, right? After copying the address, you must have token on this wallet. You tap on wallet right here, right? You will see your available balance right here. Now this available balance we are talking about is for those that only bought pre-sale token of keychain, right? Only those that buy pre-sale, right? They're the one that is going to see this available balance. Now for all that are just mining, we just started mining, you will this your balance you are seeing right here. You can't withdraw them unless you complete your own KYC. And to start KYC on kitchen is going to start August, right? It's going to start August. They are yet to start KYC. Now this section is only for those that bought pre-sale and they want to sell and swap their tokens to USDT on PancakeSwap. Like I said, they just listed this token on PancakeSwap today. So you are going to see your available balance. Then you simply run the transaction, right? Simply transfer, and trust me, they're going to take only 1% gas fee while making transaction on this. As simple as that. Now, for you that are not using Trust Wallet, or maybe you're using MetaMask, is the same thing you're going to do to import this contract address and claim your token. If you claim your token, you're going to swap it to USDT on PancakeSwap. So for many of you who doesn't know how you trade on PancakeSwap, the simple way to trade on PancakeSwap, let's go back to our Trust Wallet. Let me give you guys example. Now that I've already added this keychain smart contract to my own Trust Wallet, what am I going to do if I want to trade their token? If I've already transferred their token to this wallet and I want to transfer it, the simple thing I need to do is to tap on Discover, right, and search a Pancake Swap, right? You search on Pancake Swap. Simply search Pancake Swap, right? Then you're going to see it. You click it and then you do your own transaction, right? I know a lot of people doesn't know that you have to log in through this Discover to go to PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap doesn't have any application. This is how you are going to run it, as simple as that, right? And the last thing I'm going to talk about, airdrops. If you are trying to connect any contract address, make sure that the wallet you're using, you're connecting, doesn't have much balance. Don't use the wallet you're investing to add all this airdrop stuff. Is very risky, right? Make sure that the airdrop wallet is different with your main wallet you are adding your own tokens or your investment in. Make sure that the wallet you are doing airdrops with is different from the one you are investing with, right? You're putting your own savings. So guys, if there's any update about kitchen, I will drop it on this channel. And if you're yet to join kitchen, I'll be dropping the link below so that you will join immediately. Don't waste time because we are going to take only 2 years of mining keychain, and right now you can even trade your keychain as well. So let's go in and get this token into our wallet and make some profit in PancakeSwap. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you.